everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐴.com. Here I've got this nice little Hijet Deckvan here. This is a 2018, nice khaki green colour. Got factory fog lights on the front, the newer shaped front end, looks a lot more modern. You can see from this video the bodywork's in nice condition all around. It's a half van, half pickup basically, so I've got this deck on the back, hence the term deck van, and it's pretty useful. You can load that with a forklift. Once you've put that down, that makes nice easy access. Put your dog in there, stuff you don't want to put in the cab, it doesn't matter if it gets wet, but very useful. Body colour bumpers, you can see that there. This one's got a 3-inch lift up on it, so you can put some more aggressive mud tyres on. Got sliding doors on the side, bench seat in the back, seat belts for 2 people. Got electric windows in the back as well, and in the front. See, dark interior, easy to keep clean. And this thing's only done 1,000 kilometers, so 600 miles, not very much. Basically, like a fairly new car. I'll just start the engine up. You can see 1,000 miles. It's got switchable 4-wheel drive. Press that button there. Light comes on the dashboard. Switch to 4-wheel drive on and off. 5-speed manual. It's got aircon, heater, and all enclosed in here so you can keep dry. It's got this little shelf at the top as well. Put your stuff up there. It's quite useful. Electric mirrors as well, electric folding mirrors, so pretty well appointed. These look pretty cool with some bit bigger tyres on, and they're pretty useful off-road with the 4-wheel drive, and they're quite lightweight as well. So this vehicle is going to be on its way to the States. If you want to buy a vehicle like this exact one, or you think you can make some money by distributing these for us in the United States, have a look on our website 𝐷𝐶𝐵𝐼𝐚𝐴.com. You'll find a lot more information on there. Thank you very much for watching.